welcome back to Beyond's Cooking World. Today we're gonna make Gobi 65, restaurant style. What's the ingredients? Some curry leaves with 1 green chilli, and then onions, and then half spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon red chilli powder, and 1 spoon Garam Masala. Cup all-purpose flour or Maida, half cup corn flour, and 2 spoons of rice flour. And of course, cauliflower, because isn't it cauliflower 65? Right. First, add turmeric powder to this hot water. What you're gonna do, and then add this cauliflower to the hot water. And wait for 3 minutes. Now let's mix all of these ingredients with salt. First we'll put this. Last one. And now salt. Now let's mix it, my favorite part. So mix. Let's add some water and mix it. Mix. I'm so sorry because I forgot to add the ginger garlic paste. So let's add it. Look. Now let's mix it. Mix. Now I'm gonna add the cauliflower, which was in hot water in 3 minutes. So let's do it. Slowly mix it well. Keep aside for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, I'm gonna fry the cauliflower in the air fryer. For that, you have to spread oil all around just like me. And add the cauliflower to it. You can also deep fry it in the oil. Cook it for 400 degrees and then 6 minutes. Flip it and then cook for another 400 degrees and another 6 minutes. So let's do it. See, this is deep fried and this is air fried. I'm gonna taste both. First I'll taste air fried. It's so crispy. Let's taste this one. This is also crispy. These are the ingredients for the dry masala. 1 spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon red chilli powder, 1 spoon garam masala, green chilies with curry leaves and onions, and half spoon ginger garlic paste. 2 spoons of olive oil, and wait until it's hot. So let's do it. Oil is hot, so let's add some green chilies and curry leaves. And let's color it. And then mix it. Add salt so the onion cooks faster. And mix it. Let's add half a spoon ginger garlic paste. Now it's time to mix it. Now let's add all the spices. Oops. Now mix it. Add very little water and mix it. Now let's add the cauliflower and mix it well. Mix. Restaurant cauliflower style is ready. I don't have coriander, but if you have, please add it. It's time to taste it. I love it. It is crispy and super. Please try this at home and enjoy. And thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. See you later.